It's Christmas morning.
Open your presents from Santa.
Here you go.
Who's this from? No, I'm gonna open this at Grandma's.
No.
No.
I gotta open it now?
We're going to open it now. Wait,
But I'm videotaping.
Open it.
Open it. Open it, Daddy, from Santa's.
Oh, I think.
Open it, Daddy. Open it.
What is it?
Oh, here you go. You're gonna record us? Daddy,
Mm.
look it.
Open
I
it,
got-
Daddy. Open it.
Oh, look, hey, show Maria, show Maria, show Maria. What's that?
Oh, my God. Yeah.
She don't like it. She don't like it.
I'm gonna shut up.
She acts like she couldn't sleep.
Shut up!
Oh, grateful daughter. What is that, boy?
Yeah. Santa came.
Hey, what is that?
Dad. Dad. Thank you. Woody.
No, not me.
No, she put Leo on mine. Oh, you did? Oh, thank you.
We both did.
Oh, thank you very much.
All right. Okay.
Okay,
get your-
there's more presents. Go.
Go get your present.
Levántate. Levántate.
That's not right there.
That's Mexican Spanish.
Take up here. Put that down.
Open it. Open it.
Open it, Daddy. Rip it open.
Rip it open.
It's even not enough of a present.
Look at Angelo. See?
Why is that bubble?
Jake. Open it, homie.
Yeah.
Open it.
All right. Yeah, Daddy. Open it like that.
What? Ange. What is that, Ange?
All right. You want me to open it for you? Open it, Jake. What did you get? Angelo, help Angelo. Angelo, help Jake open his present. This one right here. The one right here. Yeah, help him open. Jacob, help Angelo open. Yeah, open it for him. Open it. Open it. Help Angelo open it. You're welcome. Thanks, Santa.
What is that? What is that?
You hear him? He took a full game.
What do you think?
Angelo, what are you doing?
Look, Jake. Look what Santa brought you.
What is that?
Oh my God, they got bigger presents at my grandma's house. They're like, heck, Jacob got the biggest one. From my grandma's.
See? Yeah, but look it. Who's that for?
Woody.
What?
Here, Jacob.
Jacob, look it.
Open it.
Have Leo open it for you.
Go, open it. Tear it open. Here, baby.
What is that? What? Oh, you haven't opened it yet.
Brown, yeah.
What is that, Ange? What is it?
That's what you wanted, huh? Santa said, I'm going to get that for you. It's a learning game with skinny.
Oh my God, Jacob got it too?
He got one for his age.
Yeah.
Jake Angelo is a big frog explorer.
What? Chismoso.
Look it.
Okay. Is that it?
Dad got